Bro, if you pour ice water on a hot dog, does it become a chili dog?
No, don't tell me he's at it again.
Dude, you technically have 2 minutes to live, but every time you breathe, it restarts the timer.
You realize we were forced to leave because of you.
The word none is just the letter N doing a cartwheel.
That's absolutely fantastic. Now my friends know my family's crazy.
Dude, taxes are just a yearly subscription to the country that you live in. Childhood is the free trial.
I don't think I can ever go back there again now that they know about you.
If your parents always told you not to take candy from strangers, then what is Halloween?
Hey Dad, what's the number to that therapist again?
Bro, your eraser slowly dies because of your mistakes.
Well, guess I gotta find new friends. Do you know anybody? Sorry.
Bro, the number of people older than you will never increase.